You are not broke because you bought one coffee. You are broke again before payday because your paycheck walked in with no job and everybody else gave it one first. Rent took a piece. Groceries took a piece. Gas took a piece. Subscriptions took a piece. Then the weekend took whatever was left. That is the real problem. Not coffee. Not one bad decision. A paycheck with no job gets hired by whatever shows up first. Welcome back to Budget Basis. Today we are using the 50, 30, 20 rule as a paycheck traffic system, not a boring textbook rule. Before the money hits the account, it needs 3 jobs. What must be paid, what can be flexible, and what goes to future you. The first job is needs. Housing, lights, food, transportation, insurance, minimum debt payments, the stuff that keeps life standing. The classic target is 50% for needs. But the number is not the magic part. The magic part is finding out whether your basics are quietly eating the whole check. If needs are already 60 or 70%, that does not mean you failed. It means the budget finally told the truth. The second job is wants. Wants are allowed. Fun is allowed. Food out, streaming, games, hobbies, that is not evil. But wants need a fence. If the flexible bucket has no boundary, it will spend like it owns the whole paycheck. The classic target is 30% for wants. Think of that as permission with a lid on it. The third job is future you. Savings, future bills, debt payoff above minimums, emergency money, whatever stops next month from punching you in the face. The classic target is 20%. If 20 is impossible right now, start smaller. But move it first, because leftovers are a terrible savings plan. Example, if the paycheck is $3,000, the classic split is $1,500 for needs, $900 for wants, and $600 for future you. That gives you a starting point before the money turns into one big blurry account balance. But if your real needs are $2,000, do not fake the math. Build from reality first. Make a survival split. Basics protected, flexible spending smaller, and future you money still alive, even if it starts tiny. That is why 50, 30, 20 works best as a dashboard, not a grade. Red numbers are not insults. They are warning lights. Here is the 1-month test. Before payday, write down the paycheck amount. Then write 3 numbers before you spend $1. Do it while the money is still theoretical, because once it lands, your brain starts negotiating. Number 1, what must be paid? Number 2, what can be flexible? Number 3, what moves to future you? If you use bank accounts, move it. If you use envelopes, separate it. If you use a note on your phone, write it before the first swipe. If the plan breaks, do not fix everything at once. Cap 1 leak before the next payday. 1 subscription. 1 food out limit. 1 automatic transfer. The win is not perfection. The win is stopping the paycheck from bleeding in the same place twice. Small money moved on purpose beats a perfect budget that only exists in your head. This is educational content only, not personalized financial advice. The budget basis rule is simple. Assign the paycheck before the month assigns it for you. Before your next payday, give your paycheck 3 jobs. Must pay, flexible, and future you. Subscribe for more simple money systems that start with the paycheck you actually have.